Hi, I am Vinosh Dubale, Production Head in Alok Equipments Private Limited, Pune. We specialize in glass bead blasting operations where compressed air is one of the most critical utilities for ensuring process consistency, productivity and surface finish quality. For several years, we have been operating with a fixed speed compressors which has been reliable in meeting our day-to-day requirements. However, glass bead blasting is a highly dynamic process. Air demand fluctuates based on nozzle usage, blast pressure requirements, operator cycle, and workpiece characteristics. Because of these variations, our compressor frequently operated in cycling mode, resulting in excessive cut-ins and cutouts that lead to energy loss and pressure instability. To address this challenge, ELGi introduced us to their latest innovation, the demand match system. This intelligent airflow control system automatically adjusts compressor output to match the real-time air demand of the plant, reducing excessive cut-in and cutouts and stabilizing pressure across the operation. To evaluate the benefit, ELGi deployed a demand match system on our existing fixed speed compressor and compared it with the baseline performance over a defined period. The results were clearly measurable and impactful. Our average power consumption dropped from 20.1 kWh to 18.2 kWh per hour, delivering a 9.4% energy saving. This translates to around 90 units saved over 10 days of actual running. Load cycles reduced in the range of 20%, ensuring higher pressure stability and significantly lower mechanical stress on the compressor. The system now runs far more smoothly, contributing to enhanced equipment life and more consistent blasting performance. ELGi engineering expertise and their proactive approach to innovation have made a meaningful difference to our glass bead blasting operation. The demand match system has helped us improve process stability, reduce energy consumption, and enhance operational reliability. We look forward to continuing this collaboration as we work together toward greater operational excellence.